Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT3 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find security and privacy. Then we have to scroll down again to find more security and privacy. Scroll down again to localize installation sources. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. It will be useful if you'd like to download the app from another source than a Play Store. So for example, let's pretend in my case it will be Chrome. So just find it in the list and tap on the switcher. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you have to know that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So if you're sure, just tap on Allowed, and as you can see, the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. And of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher next to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.